Final thoughts. Becoming a content creator is an exciting way to share your passions and thoughts. It takes dedication, creativity, and organization to become successful in this field. Creating compelling content requires a deep understanding of your target audience and an ability to communicate effectively through your chosen medium. You must also have excellent writing skills, generate ideas regularly, and have knowledge of the platforms you're using. Once you've mastered these skills, though, the possibilities are endless. So go out there and make your mark as a content creator. We can't wait to see what you create. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck. Remember to be bold and creative, and have fun. You never know what great things you might have if you try them. Now go forth and make your content dreams come true. Happy creating! Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.